Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to log into your Zara account using the mobile application. First, open the Zara app on your Android or iPhone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. And here you will see two options, either to register or to log in. If you don't already have an account, simply tap register and follow the prompts. But for this video, we're trying to sign in, so tap log in. Now simply enter your registered email address and password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap "Have you forgotten your password" written just below the password field, and it will guide you through your password retrieval process. Once your info is entered, tap the login button and wait a moment. And just like that, you are now logged in and ready to shop. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.